What if you could increase your home daycare profits in the next 30 days by implementing 3 simple strategies? Would you do it? If you would like to increase your profits, then keep watching this video. I am going to walk you through 3 practical strategies I use to make my home daycare business more profitable, and they're strategies you can begin right away. Make sure you stay until the very end because the strategy number 3 is the one that really boosted my income. Also, click on the link below to get your free business tips. Let's begin. Strategy number 1, maximize your enrollment. If you want to increase your profits, this is where it starts first. Fill your spots and keep them filled. Here are 4 ways for you to do that. Number 1, examine your capacity. First, you need to know what your state rules and regulations are and determine if you are full, and if not, what your availabilities are in age group as well as the hours of operation. That means knowing how many children you can legally provide care for, ensuring your age group breakdown aligns with your financial and personal needs. Because the truth is, if you're not operating at full capacity, it is as if you are working at a discount. Make sure you check your state guidelines using the free business resource provided in the free checklist below. Number 2, mixed age groups really does matter. Now let's talk strategy, because not all age groups are created equally when it comes to income and workload. Here are some things to consider when it comes to infants. So ask yourself, what age group allows me to earn at my highest potential and maintain high quality childcare? Because remember, it's all about balance. You don't want to increase your income at the expense of safety and or quality. So think first before you enroll a child, and know your numbers before saying yes. If you're serious about growing your home daycare business, subscribe for weekly tips. Number 3, be flexible with scheduling. This is where many providers miss out. If you're only offering full-time care, you may have empty hours during the day. Instead, offer part-time care, drop-in care, full before and after school. Create incentives for families to maximize your open hours. For example, if one child is there from 9:30 to 4:30, you can fill the early morning and late afternoon with other children. Work with your families to accommodate their needs, but not at the expense of reducing your profits. Number 4, advertise, advertise, and advertise. Tell your friends, tell your families, people whom you attend worship service with, your neighbors, also your former coworkers, partner with your local businesses, use local Facebook and other social media platforms. Get the word out there. Let everyone know that you are open for business, because this is how you increase your income without adding more stress. Here's a quick tip. For more strategies like these, check out my video, Make Money and Keep Money. Strategy number 2, set competitive rates. Now let's talk about your pricing, because this can make or break your profits if it's too high or too low. So here are 2 ways that you can do just that. Number 1, you want to research local rates. You need to know what providers in your area are charging. How do you do this? You call and ask. So when you do that, you want to find out what is their full-time versus part-time rates. What's included? Do they include meals, curriculum, extended hours? You can also use National Child Care Price Database, childcare.gov, care.com, and local listings. This helps you to understand your market so you can price confidently and competitively. Just make sure your pricing matches the value of what parents are actually receiving from your home daycare business. Number 2, review your rates regularly. Don't set your rates and forget them. Your expenses change, prices go up, expenses go up. So these are some things that you need to think about. Think about, what are your food costs? What are your supply costs? Has your insurance gone up? What is the licensing renewal fees? And what about your taxes? All of these things you need to take into consideration and check them on a regular basis. Then ask yourself, what do I need to earn each month to stay at a profit and a high profit? So from there, you break it down by your capacity and your operating days. This will impact your profit. You want to review this today and ensure that it aligns with now. As you enroll your families, you can adjust as the new contracts are being created, as it will impact your results in the next 30 days. Another quick tip, if you need help with this, check out my video, How to Write a Business Plan. This strategy has deliberately been saved for the very end because it is so underestimated and should be kept at the forefront of your business plan. That's strategy number 3. Stand out from the rest. And here are 2 ways to do just that. You want to highlight what makes you, your home daycare business, unique. Many new home daycare providers forget that individuality is a gift and fear showcasing what sets them apart. They focus on what others are doing and sometimes will copy them. Parents do care about your pricing, your program, and your location. But remember, these are their children they are leaving in your care. So just as you choose a good quality brand over other similar companies or brands that offer the same services, so will they, but even more, because these are their babies. Many times they are looking for someone that they feel warm and fuzzy with. And the only way they can know that is if you show them who you truly are. So remember, the same applies to you as a home daycare business owner. So you want to make sure that you showcase your differences. Let them know who you are and what's unique about you and what you personally have to offer through your program. Number 2, communicate your values. This is where, now that you've determined you're going to share with them who you are going to showcase that this is what your business has and make it stand out. So ask yourself, do I provide meals? Would meals be an added value if I did that? Do I have certification and specialized training that can benefit the children in my care as well as their families? Do I offer structured learning programs? And if not, what can I add? And is my space well organized, neat, clean, and does it smell fresh? Not perfume fresh, but clean and pleasant fresh. If you answer yes, make these features known. So you have asked, is it really possible to increase your profits in 30 days? Yes, it is, by putting the right strategies in place. So let's quickly recap how to do this. Number 1, you want to start now. Start now by maximizing your enrollment today. Set competitive rates for new clients who start today. Make adjustments to stand out from the rest, starting today by showing your unique talents and qualities. Moms and childcare providers, if this video helped you, subscribe now for more real, practical business tips. And tell me, what's your biggest challenge right now in your daycare journey? Comment below. Remember to download your free checklist in the descriptions below. So, in conclusion, remember, be that person to make a difference. Open a home daycare business and reap the many rewards. Thank you for watching. Until next time.